Join the United for the People Party. We are a young but determined coalition, and we may be small, but we want to take on big issues plaguing our society, such as abortion. Our party believes that all women have a right to a safe, clean, and professional procedure that is affordable and accessible. We want women to feel safe and comfortable making these big decisions. We also believe that marijuana should be legalized for those over the age of 25 because it can greatly help with chronic pain and many other ailments. On top of that, it has never been scientifically proven to be the cause of a death, and this shows how that medicine could help many people in their day-to-day lives. We also want to tackle education. Our school system needs more funding and more reform. As for funding, we want to focus on undersupported areas and make sure they have the resources necessary to thrive and encourage learning and improvement among students. In addition, we want to eliminate Common Core teaching methods to try new and more effective forms of teaching instead. These models would not focus on repetitive, work-based learning, but rather a more hands-on, applied approach. Our justice system needs change as well. We here at the UPP believe that there need to be more comprehensive requirements to become an officer of the law and a higher standard that needs to be upheld. We also believe that some calls that are nonviolent or mental health related do not need police response. We want to put money towards hiring preventative and rehabilitative experts to deal with cases that the police are not qualified or trained for. We also care about the environment. The Earth is suffering, and we believe in a green future with less environmentally hazardous energy resources. To accomplish our goal, we will invest in clean, renewable energy sources, such as nuclear and solar power plants. We also understand that there are many working-class people who work in the non-renewable energy industry, and it may seem that their livelihoods would be ruined if the government took funding away from their employers in an effort to help the environment. We don't want that to happen. We will strive to protect those working in these jobs and help them make the transition to jobs in clean energy. To us, people's livelihood and ability to care for their family is of utmost importance. We will work to protect those in need as best we can. And for that reason, we would also like to take on the issue of gun control. We believe that there needs to be legislation controlling how a gun is obtained, such as requiring training and better background checks prior to the attainment of guns. Completion of these requirements would be represented by an official gun license provided by the federal government. We hope that this will have a nationwide effect. We want people to be able to protect their families how they wish, but we also want to make sure that a potentially dangerous or unstable person will not have the opportunity to put innocent lives in danger. However, gun control is not the only issue that impacts families on a daily basis. We also recognize that in order for people to live happy lives, they need to be healthy. The UPP believes in healthcare for all. We want to fund the construction of more hospitals, as well as additional medical infrastructure. We also want to begin the process of deprivatizing pharmaceuticals and including more coverage for sexual and mental health in our program. All of these decisions will also create jobs for the American people, because the people are the basis upon which we make all our decisions, and we would not make it unless we believe that it would benefit those in need. This includes those trying to become American citizens. We want to make immigration into our wonderful country a much less daunting process. After all, most of our ancestors immigrated here to make a better life for themselves, just like these people are trying to do as well. We here at the United for the People Party put the American people first, and we mean all our people. We want to make sure that those in need get the support they deserve and the rights they were born with under our Constitution, no matter who they are. Our name is the United for the People Party because we want to unite everyone together for the betterment of life in this country and the pursuit of happiness that we all desire.